welcome back to Whitney's Wednesdays. Whoa, I am so glad you guys are here again today. So today, again, recording with my iPhone has been great so far. I'm still trying to learn different quirks and things that are gonna look better. I'm still using one very tiny light right here, so it's very bright in my eyes right now. But anyways, on to the video. Today's video, I am going on a date night with my boyfriend tonight. We have been dating for 3 years, so I want to do kind of like a date night look, kind of like a smoky eye, dark brown color. So I literally don't really have a plan. I just set out as many palettes that have brown color shades into it. So let's see what's gonna happen and let's get started. All right, so for starters, we are gonna start off with the Kat Von D's Metal Matte palette. I'm going in with the suede color for my transition shade. It's a very, very light tan color. And we're just gonna go right into the crease. Alright, in our next shade, I am going in with Too Faced, the White Chocolate Bar palette. This shade is called Cookie Dough, just a shade darker than the transition shade we just used. And I'm just gonna go right over that same color we used in the Kat Von D, just one more time to deepen up that crease. Alright, now I'm jumping into my ColourPop Fame palette. I'm going into Stardom. It's just, I'm kind of building up my colors. They're all going to be cool tone, but each step they're going to be a darker shade than the past one. So I'm going in with this shade with a little more skinnier, fluffier brush and just focusing on the outer corner of my eye. Alright, and before I go any darker, I'm just going to make sure those past 3 shades are really blended and really smoothly put together. So I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush, just kind of windshield back and forth. Alright, and for my next shade, I am hopping into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I just looked at this name. Jesus. It is Mocha! Yay! So we're going with Mocha with that same skinny fluffy brush and just deepening that outer corner one more time. Since I want this to be an all-around smoky look, I'm going to use that same color and start going underneath my under eye so it kind of makes a full complete circle around my outer corner. It's hard to try to look down and do stuff underneath my lid, so I'm going to grab my other mirror, look up. Now I did have some fallout, and before it melts into my skin, I'm just gonna brush that off because I'm not wearing any baking powder, which is my bad. My next shade is still continuing using the Jaclyn Hill palette, going in with this shade Central Park. This is probably the deepest brown we will be using. Who knows? We'll see. And again, I'm just gonna go in on the outer V, going underneath my eye, and just on the outer corner, really deepening that crease. Alright, and I usually put on my lid like a sparkly color because most of my lid is a matte, but I do have a sparkly shimmer lipstick that I'm going to be wearing, so I am going to keep my lid matte as well. So let me grab my flat brush, and we're going in back with Kat Von D's Metal Matte palette, and we're going in with, I was hoping I could see, this darker brown. It's called Oak. I'm gonna place that all over my lid. Let's hope it looks good because usually I don't do mattes on my lid, so cross your fingers. Whoa, okay, that turned out a lot darker than I expected, but I'm kind of digging it. I'm kind of feeling some Demi vibes with her smoky eye. Hey, Demi. Inner Demi coming out. It is a little harsher on the edges, so I am gonna go through and just make sure it blends out with my crease shades that I was doing. So I'm just going in with a clean, fluffy brush and just windshield back and forth. Okay, I am gonna go in with just a small kind of like inner corner like highlight, just because it is a wee bit dark. I do kind of want to accentuate my features, so I'm going in with the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar again, and I'm going in with Exotic, like exotic, but an A at the end. Is that a word, Exotica? Anyways, so we're going with this. It's like a very light pinky pearl shade. Kind of reminded me of the lip color I'll be wearing, so I thought it'd be a good touch. I'm just going in right where, ooh, she is bright. We only need one swipe for that one. Gonna come underneath the brow bone just a little bit. If you notice, I did not dip back in to the palette. I'm just using what is left on my brush. Like I said, I wanted this to be more smoky, not so much shimmery. So we're getting there. Alrighty, and with this look, I probably won't do any winged eyeliner just because it's so dark, you're not gonna see it anyways. I am, however, I'm gonna line my waterline and try the waterline underneath my top lashes. It's a little hard at times. I'm gonna try it, and I'll put on some false lashes, kind of just make the look a little more like, so. Alrighty, so while I let my mascara dry, it was a brand new bottle, so it is wet. I am going to apply my new lippy stick. This was from Sephora. This was their like around the world or something collection, but it has the really cute packaging. Each one's different. I honestly wanted to get them all because the packaging was so cute, but this color really stood out to me. It's called Take a Spin. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a shimmery pink. Ooh, just wait and watch. See how pretty that is? I love this. I had a lip gloss kind of like this, but it was the glossy kind of texture, and it just, the second I ate or drink something, it just come right off. So I feel like with the more stick kind of formula, at least feels like it's kind of in place. Definitely is creamy, but it's not glossy, if that makes sense. So I feel like I could pat my lips a little bit with like a napkin, and it's still gonna stay. You still see that shimmer, but I love a soft pink or shimmery pink with like a really, really dark eye. It's just, I love that kind of look. So I'm gonna go apply my lashes, and then I'll come back probably with my hair done, and we'll finish off with some highlight, and I'll be a little more poppin' than I already am. Alrighty guys, so I thought I was recording my last bit, but I didn't, and I'm just about to leave, so I'm just holding my phone in my hand. I just applied just my highlighter, which is what I always grab for, which is the Too Faced highlighter in the shade Love Light. I didn't apply any false lashes just because I'm running out of time. So yeah, I will see you guys next Wednesday, and I love you. Bye!